Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Laksh, and in this video, we are doing something really interesting. We are deploying a live AI agent identity on Avalanche blockchain using a new standard called ERC-8004. For this, no coding needed, just follow along. By the end of this video. We'll have a real smart contracts live on chain. But first, let me quickly explain what is an AI agent actually is. So an AI agent is software that thinks, decide and act completely on its own. No one gives it instruction in real time, no approvals, it just runs using AI like ChatGPT to understand tasks, make decisions and execute them automatically. And in crypto, these agents are doing something serious. They are handling real money, trading tokens, managing DeFi positions, all without any human in the loop. And here are four real examples working right now. A trading bot that watches the market and moves the real funds when the moment conditions are right. A DeFi manager that finds the best yield across protocols and deposits your money automatically. A tax executor that picks up work on chain, then completes it and gets paid without anyone touching it. And a portfolio manager that rebalances your holdings with zero human input. Real money, real stakes, all happening right now, but every single one of these agents has a one massive unsolved problem. Why can't these agents run on a company server? Let me show you the difference. On a regular server, the developers control everything. They can quietly change the code, delete transaction history, hide what the bot actually did. You never know, and there's a zero transparency. But on the blockchain, every action is public, every transaction is permanent, and nothing can be secretly changed or deleted. So instead of trusting the developer, you trust the chain, and that changes everything because the public chain doesn't lie. Here's why this matters right now. Billions of dollars going to flow through AI agents in the next 2 years. And honestly, it's already starting. Without any verification system, you are trusting an autonomous bot with your money. If something goes wrong and if it misbehaves or takes more than it should, you have no way to prove it and no way to recover anything. ERC-8004 is the first standard ever built to fix this. It makes AI agent verifiable, accountable and trustworthy and directly on chain. And today we are deploying it. So what are you going to learn today? How to deploy a verifiable AI agent from scratch and how on-chain identity works so your agent gets a permanent digital passport and how reputation tracking works, every action recorded forever, nobody can delete it, and how cryptographic validation works. Third parties can post mathematical proof that your AI agent is actually behaves correctly. 5 steps, no complexity. AI agents are moving real money right now. No human, no approval, just code. Making financial decisions with real stakes. And the question nobody asks enough is, can you actually trust them? Right now, no. Three reasons why. No identity. Anyone can fake an agent. No track record. You can't check agent history. And no proof of behavior. Did it actually do what it promised? When the real money is moving, trust is not enough. This is exactly what ERC 8004 solves. It gives every AI agent three things it never had before: verifiable identity, so you know the agent is real; a public track record, so everything it's ever done is visible to anyone; and on chain proof, so its behavior isn't just promised, it actually verified. Let me show you how ERC 8004 architecture works. ERC-8004 uses three smart contracts called registries that work together to form one complete trust layer. The identity registry is basically a blockchain passport for your agent. It gets a unique permanent ID on chain that can't be faked, and every action it takes is signed with that ID. The reputation registry records every task, every payment, and every client rating stored on chain forever. So nobody can delete it, the bad history, and nobody can manufacture fake good history. The chain just keeps score. The validation registry is where third party auditors post cryptographic proof, actual mathematical verification that your agent was tested and works correctly, not a document, real verifiable proof. Together, it's complete trust layer for any AI agent. Here's the part that makes this really powerful. Every action your agent takes on chain generates a unique transaction hash, a permanent public record. That means anyone can search your agent address on the blockchain explorer and see the full history. Every task accepted, every task completed, and every payment made. Public, permanent, and nobody can touch it. No trust needed. The chain is the proof. So why Avalanche? Why not any other chain? Three reasons. Transaction conforms in under 1 second. Any AI agent need that speed. Fees are near zero, so your agent isn't losing money just to run. And it works exactly like Ethereum. Same code, same tools. That's exactly why Ava Labs built the official ERC-8004 boilerplate on Avalanche. So what exactly we are deploying today? Four contracts total. The identity registry and reputation registry are official shared contracts already deployed by Ava Labs on Fuji. Your agents just connect to them. The validation registry and task agent, we deploy them. Those are yours, your address and your agent. That task agent address become your agent permanent home on the blockchain. Total 5 steps and we are done. Open VS Code and terminal, clone the code from GitHub and install the dependencies, add your wallet private key and deploy to Avalanche. It's simple. Let me show you exactly how. Open VS Code, go to File, Open Folder and select your Web3 folder. Then open the terminal from the top menu. That cursor in the bottom is where all commands go. First command, this download the entire project straight from Ava Labs GitHub on your computer. Clone this repo and enter. When the prompt comes back, it's done. Now move to the project folder. Now to move into the project folder, you have to type this and enter. Now install everything the project needs to run. So we need to install the npm. You will see a dot of text, completely normal. Just wait 2 or 3 minutes. Then quickly install the backend as well. Npm install, then enter. So we are installing the backend. Then cd and double dot, then enter. So all installed. Let's move on. Now let's connect the wallet. Create the setting file first. Copy.env.example.env, then enter. Open the .env file from sidebar. You will see a line that say private key. That's what we exactly to fill in. And important, use a test wallet only, zero real money in it. Your private key is the master key to your wallet. So anyone who has it owns it. So never share that with anyone. So you have to download the core wallet extension in your PC and create the account. Turn on the testnet mode. And to get the testnet tokens, you have to visit the site. Then select the network. Then next, select the token to receive. And then you can connect your wallet here or you can type your address here. And for the coupon code, you can write Avalanche Academy. And from here, you can request 2 AVAX testnet tokens. Then you will receive the testnet token here. Now to have private key, go to account, then click options and here show private key. And this is your private key. Copy this. Now go to VS Code and in private key paste the wallet address, but also remove the 0x from first and then save the file. Then go to the terminal and this is the moment, one command, npm run deploy Fuji, then enter. It's compiling all the contract first. Deployed, validation registry is done, task agent is live. 4 contact addresses all live on Avalanche Fuji right now. And that task agent address, this is your AI agent sitting permanently on blockchain. And let me actually prove this is real. Open the testnet.showtrust.io, then paste your task agent address, contract address confirmed, transaction hash, proof it happened, my wallet, the deployer, and permanent public, anyone can verify this. Look at what you just built: a verified on chain agent identity, a public reputation system, a validation layer, all live on Avalanche. 5 steps, no code, live on blockchain. If you got stuck, drop your errors in comments. I'll help you to fix it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Stack United. I'm Laksh and see you the next one.